Everyone's talking about Celebrity's flashy Edge-class ships, but here's what most people don't realize. You can get almost the same luxury experience on a Solstice-class ship, like the Celebrity Silhouette, for sometimes half the price. I recently toured the Silhouette, and today I'll show you exactly what changed after her Revolution makeover, how she compares to her sister ships, and why she might just be your smartest celebrity cruise choice. Hi, I'm Angela from Grab Your Bags Travel. If you haven't cruised Celebrity in a while, Celebrity Silhouette might surprise you. She's not new like the Edge-class ships, but she was one of the major restored ships before the COVID shutdown. The Celebrity Revolution was a $500 million project to bring older ships in line with the new look and feel of the Edge series. For Silhouette, this meant a redesign of staterooms, the addition of new venues, and a complete refresh of some underused spaces. I created a video about tips for sailing on her sister ships, Eclipse, that you can check out to see and compare some of the differences between the two sister ships. Silhouette has a double occupancy capacity of 2,894 passengers with 13 decks for guests to enjoy. Now, last year I was able to sail on the Eclipse, her sister ship. And the first thing you will notice that Silhouette feels so much more modern than Eclipse. It's the same class of ship, but it just feels fresher everywhere you go. One of the biggest updates on Silhouette is the replacement of the old passport bar with Craft Social. This is now a casual chill-out space with over 40 craft beers, bourbon flights, and bar bites. It's warm and feels like a pub meets lounge hybrid. Great space. Now, if you're more of a dress-up and drink-up kind of a cruiser, you can still head across the deck to the Martini Bar, where the energy is completely different and hasn't changed on any of the Celebrity ships, including the Eclipse. If you've been on other Solstice-class ships, you'll remember the real grass at the Lawn Club. But Silhouette includes private alcoves, cabana-style spaces where you can lounge with ocean views tucked away from the bustle. They're perfect for small groups or couples celebrating something special. And here's a pro tip. These are limited and sometimes available at a discount once on board, so go and ask early. Plus, in the area, it has the Lawn Club Grill and the porch for additional specialty dining venues. Now, here's something that really sets Silhouette apart, the Retreat Sun Deck. Unlike other Solstice-class ships that only has the Michaels Club, Silhouette got a full retreat experience during the Revolution. The Retreat Sun Deck is calm, cool, and completely Edge-inspired. One thing that hasn't changed, and for many is a strong yes, is the traditional balcony layout in the staterooms. Unlike the Edge-class Infinite verandas, these are real balconies with full sliding doors, separation, and fresh air. Silhouette still keeps fan favorites like Tuscan Grill, Blue, which is for Aqua class guests, Cuisine, and the Sky Lounge. Even with the Revolution updates, some of the Silhouette's best features haven't changed because they didn't need to. There's something cozy and timeless about this ship. And while I have you, let's talk about something many cruisers miss, the Concierge class embarkation lunch. This is one of the best kept secrets, and a relaxed, uncrowded lunch with plated service on embarkation day, available only to concierge guests in the main dining room. It's such a great way to ease into your cruise, especially if the buffet is a little overwhelming on day one. The meal and service was fantastic. Now here's something really exciting. Celebrity will soon begin their brand new renewed Celebrity Solstice program. It kicks off with the Celebrity Solstice in early 2026, and the idea is to bring the rest of the fleet in line the way Silhouette has been refreshed. But it's not just a repeat of the Revolution. This new program will also introduce some completely new features, things you won't find even on Silhouette today. I actually spoke with a Celebrity Cruise representative who shared some exciting details, and you can catch the full interview linked right here and in the description. So how does Silhouette compare to the shiny new Edge-class ships? Well, in the pros, it has staterooms with true balconies, more shaded outdoor spaces like alcoves and retreat, slightly lower fares for similar dining and service quality, slightly smaller ship. Edge class holds about 400 to 500 more passengers. Now for some cons, it does have fewer high-tech features like the magic carpet, and of course it does have older bones underneath the makeover. But in my humble opinion, Celebrity Silhouette is still one of the best values in the fleet. You're getting edge level vibes and without the premium price tag for sailing on our newer ship. If you found this helpful, give it a like and drop a comment with your favorite celebrity ship. Follow me here and over on Facebook at Grabby Bags Travel for more cruise content. Happy cruising!